morning students. I am Vinod Kumar, 12th Max, Chapter 2, Complex Numbers. First of all, we see the introduction of a complex numbers. I give two quadratic equations. Here first one, x squared minus 1 equal to 0. Here x squared equal to plus 1. Next, x equal to root 1. That's also plus or minus, also put it. Here x equal to plus or minus 1. Here two real solutions are given. Here x equal to plus 1 and then x equal to minus 1. Its graph x equal to minus 1, that is x equal to plus 1 here. Here x axis on the horizontal line. Here two solutions are given. Two real solutions are given. I give second equation, x squared plus 1 is equal to 0. Here also same steps, x squared equal to minus 1. Next, square root on both sides. Here x equal to root minus 1. And then root minus 1 means this is not a real values. So it goes to imaginary unit. So plus or minus I. Here I is denoted by imaginary unit. The value of I equal to root minus 1. Okay, next goes to powers of imaginary unit I. Here I power 0 is equal to 1, I power 1 equal to I squared equal to I into I, thus minus 1. Next I cube is equal to I squared into I. Here I squared means minus 1 into I, thus equal to minus I. Next we go to I power 4, this is equal to I squared into I squared, this is equal to minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to plus 1. So I power, this is a multiple of power 4 means the value is 1. So I power 4 is equal to I power 8, this is equal to I power 12, this is equal to I power 16, that is equal to etc. and so on, is equal to 1. So the general form is I power n is equal to I power 4q plus k. Here I power 4q plus k, this is the power values sum of the terms. So separately we can multiple the terms, I power 4q into I power k. Next I power 4q is change of I power 4 the whole power q into I power k. What is I power 4? The I power 4 value is 1. So I power 4 1 power q into I power k, this is equal to I power k. So in general form I power n can change of the remainder of I power q. Okay, this is the introduction of complex numbers. We see the example. See first example 2.1. Simplify the following. First question, I power 7. Here 7 can be multiple of 4s. So 7 can be divided by 4. So 1 4s are 4, remainder 3. So remainder 3 is not a multiple of 4. So separately I power 7 can be change of 4 plus 3. This is equal to I power 4 into I power 3. That is I power 4. I power 4 is 1. Next I power 3 can be change of 2 times I squared into I. That is I squared value. I squared means minus 1. So minus 1 into I, that is equal to minus I. This is very easy. Next one, the power time is thousands, above 1000. Here I power 1729. Here I power 1729 is also same method. So can be arranged in multiple of 4s. So 1729 is a division of 4. Here 4 4s are 16. So remainder is 1. Next go to 2. Here 4 3s are 12. Next remainder is 0. So next step 9. Here 4 2s are 8. So the remainder is 1. So I power 1729 can be change of I power 4 into the quotient value 432 plus the remainder 1. This can be change of this type of way. I power n equal to I power 4q plus k. So next step I power 4 into 432 can be change of I power 4 power 432 into I. Here I power 4 value is 1. So 1 power 432 into I, this is equal to I. Okay, next step is also same method, but I power negative values. What is the change of I power negative values? This is only change of the denominator. I power minus 2 means 1 by I squared. Y power, anything power negative value means the reciprocal of the number. So I power minus 1924 is change of I power plus 1924, then plus I power 2118. Okay, next step I power 1924 is also same type of division. 1924 can be divided by 4. Here 4 4s are 16, remainder 3, take 2, and then 4 2s are 4 8s are 32, and then remainder is 4, again 1 4s are 4, the remainder is 0. So here 1 by I power 4 into 481 plus I power 2018 is also can be divided by multiple of 4s. So I power 2018 can be divided by same 4. Here 5 4s are 20, the remainder is 0. Take another one 0, 118. So 4 4s are 16, so remainder is 2. So I power 4 into 504 plus 1 2. Next step, here I power 4 into 481, and then remainder is not exist. So the value is 1 plus here I power 4 into 504 plus 2, the remainder is 2. So I'll use I squared. Next step, 1 by 1 means 1 plus I squared means minus 1. So plus 1 and then minus 1, the answer is 0. So I power minus 1924 plus I power 2018, the answer is 0. Okay, next the fourth sum, summation of n equal to 1 to 102 I power n, that is equal to summation of 1 to 102. Here 102 terms, here some of the terms are okay. So 102 can be divided by 4. Change one 4 oda multiples change பண்ணிட்டோம் அப்படினா here 2 4s are 8, remainder 2, and then take 2. So 22 means 5 4s are 20, remainder 2. So here remainder is 2, so nothing but 100. 4 into 25 is a 100. So summation n equal to 1 to 100 I power n can be separately. So remaining two terms are I power 101 plus I power 102, last two terms. So first 100 terms is since 100 is a multiple of 4, so that value is 0, because first 4 terms means I plus I squared plus I cube plus I power 4 can be change of I plus I squared means minus 1 plus here I cube minus I plus 1. Here plus 1 and minus 1 cancel, plus I and minus I also cancel, the answer is 0. So first 4 terms is 0, so next 4 terms also 0, and then last 4 terms means up to 100 variki. So is equal to 0. So summation of n equal to 1 to 100 I power n is equal to 0. So next two terms I power 101 can be change of I power 4 into 25 plus 1. Here also same method, plus I power 102 is change of I power 4 into 25 plus 2. Here I power 4 into 25 is 1, and then remainder is 1. So I power 1, that is I, plus I power 4 into 25 again 1, so remainder is 2. So I squared. Here I squared value is minus 1. So here real part is change of first part. So minus 1 plus I is the final answer. Here fourth question, summation of n equal to 1 to 102 I power 20, I power n is equal to minus 1 plus I. Here fifth question, multiple of 40 times. Here first time is I power 1. This is when only I means I power 1. Next time I squared, third time I cube, and then fourth time I power 4, and so on I power 40. That is equal to base values are same. So multiple of the base values means so addition of the power values. So I power 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. up to 40 times. Here sum of n times means that is a 10th formula. Here 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to plus n is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. Already we know. So here n means the last term. Here 40 is the n. Here n into n plus 1 by 2 means 40 into 40 plus 1 by 2. Here I power. So 2 and 40 are cancelled. So 20, 40 plus 1, 41. So 20 into 41, 820. So I power 820 is also same multiple of 4. So I power 4 into 205. Here I power 4 in power 205. This is the power of 4 method. I power 4 value is 1. So 1 power 205, here 1. So sum of the multiple of terms can be arranged in power of the sums. That is equal to last answer is up to 40 times answer is 1. Next go to exercise 2.1. Here fourth question. The remaining questions are you go homeworks. Here fourth question, I power 59 plus 1 by I power 59. This is the only different method. I power 59 means can be divided by multiple of 4s. Here I power 4 into 14 plus 3. Here also I power 59 but denominator term. So same denominator 1 by I power 4 into 14 plus 3. Here I power 4 into 14 is always 1 plus 3 is the remainder. So I cube is the remainder term plus 1 by I cube is also same term. Next I cube change of 2 terms I squared into I plus here also 1 by I squared into I. This is also I cube term. Next I squared value, what is I squared is equal to minus 1. So I squared minus 1 means minus 1 into I, this is equal to minus I plus here 1 by minus 1. Here also I squared is given. So 1 by minus I into, it is a conjugate term I by I. Next 1 into I, here I minus I into I, this is minus I squared. Here first time minus I plus 1 by minus into I squared value again minus 1. So minus into minus 1 plus 1. So the final answer is minus I plus I, this is equal to 0. So negative and positive values sum of the terms is 0. So the answer I power 59 plus 1 by I power 59 is equal to 0. Okay, next go to rectangular form of a complex number. Here complex number is denoted by Z and it is defined by x plus iy. Here x and y are the real numbers. Here and also x is the real part and y is the imaginary part. What is I? I is the imaginary unit. Okay, here x and y are the real numbers. Okay, z is denoted by complex number. Z equal to x plus iy. X and y are the real numbers. X is the real part, y is the imaginary part, I is the imaginary unit. This is the rectangular form of a complex number. Next we go to organ plane. Where is used organ plane? The rectangular form of a complex number x plus iy. Here x is the real part. So x and y is the imaginary part. Take y. That is the ordered pair of a number. X plus iy can be change of x comma y. That number can be put it in the organ plane. Organ plane means x axis take the real axis. Then y axis can be take it imaginary axis. X comma y can be fill any type of the 4 quadrant. Here for example I take here x is also positive and y is also positive. So z equal to x plus iy can be change of the ordered form is x comma y, that is the plane Cartesian coordinate plane, or organ plane. Here x comma y. For example, I take z equal to 1 plus 2i. What is the coordinate? X. Here 1 is the x value and 2 is the y value. That is the ordered pair. 1 comma 2 lies in first quadrant. Here 1 and 2. 1 comma 2 lies in first quadrant. Same method. Here 3 plus 4i or 3 minus 4i. Take 3 minus 4i. Here 3 is the real part and minus 4 is the imaginary part. So 3, where is 3? Here real axis 3 here, and then minus 4 is the imaginary axis, here minus 4. So 3 comma minus 4 lies in the fourth quadrant. That is a 3 comma minus 4. This type of way can be fitted the organ plane, any complex numbers. So for example, only plus 2i, where is lies? The 2i means real or imaginary part, 2 is a imaginary part. So imaginary axis, where is imaginary axis? There is a vertical line. Okay. So 2, there is a positive number. So 2 here, so there is a value of 2. So 2i lies in that way. Okay, next the real part is, what is the real part? 2i, real part illa. So take 0. Okay. Next goes to of a complex numbers. What is equal? I give 2 given complex numbers. First one, z1 equal to x1 plus iy1 and z2 equal to x2 plus iy2. Here consider 2 complex numbers z1 and z2. These 2 complex numbers are equal. What is equal means if and only if x1 and x2 are equal. The real parts are equal, first part, and the imaginary parts. Which are the imaginary parts? y1 and y2. That's also equal. Okay. y1 is equal to y2. Here 2 complex numbers are equal means the real parts separately equal and also imaginary parts is also separately equal. This is the equal of 2 complex numbers. Next, algebraic operations of a complex numbers. What is algebraic operation? The basic algebraic operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Here first one, scalar multiplication. Scalar multiplication means I give you one complex number z equal to x plus iy, and then one scalar k is a scalar, and then kz is a scalar multiplication. Kz means k into x plus iy. Here k is a multiple of separately real and imaginary part. So kx plus I into ky. Next, addition of complex numbers. That is addition of complex numbers. You want 2 complex numbers. First one, z1 is equal to x1 plus iy1, and consider that second number z2 is equal to x2 plus iy2. Addition means z1 plus z2 is equal to the number of first number is x1 plus iy1 plus x2 plus iy2. That is the first number real part x1 and then second number real part x2. Here sum of the real terms only first. Okay. So x1 plus x2 separately. Here next one is imaginary part. Here iy1 is the imaginary part. Here iy2 is the imaginary part. I is the common term, so take outside. So remaining is y1 plus y2. That is the sum of the terms. Next, third one, subtraction of the terms. Subtraction is also same method. Here addition separately real and imaginary panna mariya da subtraction. So z1 minus z2 means x1, that is the real part of a second term, x2, so minus x2. Next, plus I is the common term. Next, y1 is the first term, subtract here y2. So separately real and imaginary parts. Okay, next multiplication. Multiplication is the easiest one, but this not separately. Here multiple the both the terms. Here fourth one multiple. I take same two complex numbers z1 into z2. Here z1 means x1 plus iy1 and z2 means x2 plus iy2. So multiplication means normal multiplication. So take x1 to x2 and x1 to iy2. So x1 into x2 is the first term. Next take x1 same x1 and goes to negative term. This is a conjugate term. Plus I into I is an extra term and then x1 into y2. Okay, next take the second term iy1 into I into y1 into x2 and then plus here also plus I into I squared and then terms imaginary parts y1 into y2, here y1 into y2. Okay, next of all I squared. What is I squared value? This is a minus 1. Okay, so the same say real term. What is the imaginary terms? Here also imaginary term, here also imaginary term. Remaining two terms are real parts. So take x1 into x2 first term and then another real term is minus y1 into y2. These two terms are real parts, so can be put it here. Next plus I is a common term, take I outside, the remaining is x1 y2 plus y1 x2. That is a multiple of the two complex numbers. So first one z1 into z2 is equal to this type of way. Next division. So division goes to conjugate of a complex number. So what is conjugate? Z bar, that is equal to x plus iy. Sorry, z equal to x plus iy. What is the conjugate of z means? Z bar is equal to x minus iy. This is the only sign change of imaginary part. Okay, there is a conjugate of a complex number. நான் எதுக்காக கான்ஜுகேட் சொல்கிறோம் அப்படின்னா டிவிஷன் யூஸ் பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா கான்ஜுகேட் நமக்கு மெயினாக தேவைப்படும். அதனால தான் ஆக்சுவலாக கான்ஜுகேட் நெக்ஸ்ட் எக்ஸசைஸில் தான் இருக்குது. ஓகே ஓகே ஃபிஃப்த் ஒன் division of a complex numbers. Same complex numbers I take z1 by z2, that is equal to what is z1 x1 plus iy1, z2 means x2 plus iy2. Where is which term take conjugate? The denominator term. Okay, so multiple of the denominator term is z2 term. Z2 means x2 plus iy2. The conjugate of z2 is x2 minus iy2 divided by x2 minus iy2. So next step, numerator is same multiple of the terms. So x1 plus iy1 into x2 minus iy2. So can be separately multiple x1 into x2. This is the first term. Next x1 into minus iy2. So minus I into x1 y2. Next iy1, here iy1 into x2, same both are positive terms, so plus I into x2 y1. Next last two terms, here iy1 into minus iy2. So I into I squared, here also minus, so plus y1 into y2. What is the denominator? So the denominator value is a plus b into a minus b. So a plus b into a minus b means a squared minus b squared. What is a? Here x2 is a term, iy2 is the b term. So a squared means x2 the whole squared. Next minus, okay, b squared means iy2 the whole squared. What is I squared? Minus 1. So plus y2 squared. This is also can be separately real and imaginary parts. So what is the real part? x1 into x2. There is another real part, the last term, plus y1 into y2. So here two imaginary parts are given, one is negative term and another one is positive term. So take positive I, means take the positive term is first, negative term is second. So x2 y1 minus x1 y2 divided by x2 the whole squared plus y2 the whole squared. This can be rearranged, the separate the denominator real part and imaginary part. This is the division. Okay, division is compulsory, use it the conjugate of a complex number, the denominator. Okay. Next, the exercise sum 2.2, first question, evaluate the following if z equal to 5 minus 2i and w equal to minus 1 plus 3i. Here first part is z plus w. What is z? 5 minus 2i minus 1 plus 3i. This is equal to 5. What is the real part? 5 and 1. Here 5 minus 1, 4. And then imaginary part values are 3i and then minus 2i. So plus i. So first term z plus w is equal to 4 plus i. Next second question, z minus iw. What is z? Same 5 minus 2i minus I into w value. So next multiple of the w with minus I. So 5 minus 2i is the same term and then minus I into minus 1 plus I. Next minus 1 minus I into plus 3i. So minus 3i squared. Next what is I squared value? Minus 1. So minus 1 into minus 3 plus 3. Here two imaginary parts are given. Here minus 2i plus i. This is equal to minus i. Next 5 plus 3, 8. So 8 minus i. This is the second one answer. And then third one, 2z plus 3z, 3w. 2z means 5 minus 2i, multiple of 2, and w minus 1 plus 3i is a multiple of 3. So we get 10 minus 4i minus 3 plus 9i. So 10 minus 3 is 7 and then plus 9i is the biggest term, so plus 5i. So find the answer. Next fifth subdivision, z squared plus 2zw plus w squared. That is a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. Here a plus b the whole squared. Same formula, w and w are the terms, z and w are the terms. So z plus w the whole squared. That is z and w, z plus w. Here first subdivision answer 4 plus i. So 4 plus i whole power 2. So a plus b whole square formula 4 squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Here 16 is the real part and then 4 2s are 8. So 8i is the imaginary part, that is I squared minus 1. So real parts are 2 given, 16 minus 1 this is equal to 15. So 15 plus 8i is the answer of z squared plus 2zw plus w squared. Next remaining sums are homeworks. Next second question, give the complex number z equal to 2 plus 3i represents the complex numbers in organ plane. Organ plane means coordinate planes, real and imaginary axis plane. First the given term z equal to 2 plus 3i. Next find out iz. What is iz? I into z. Z means 2 plus 3i. 2 into I, 2i. Next plus 3 into I into I. This is 3i squared plus 3i squared. That means minus 3. Next the real part is the first real part. So minus 3 plus 2i can be arranged in real part is first. Next z plus 2iz. Here z is same term. Iz is also here. Put it here. Next 2 minus 3 are the real terms. 2 minus 3. The answer is minus 1. Next 3i plus 2i. The answer is 5i. So the final answer is minus 1 plus 5i. Here next one is put it the organ plane. This is a coordinate plane. Take real axis and imaginary axis. What is z? Here z is a 2 plus 3i. What is a 2 plus 3i? Means 2 comma 3. Here real number is 2 and then imaginary number is 3. So 2 comma 3 lies in first quadrant. So z put it here. And iz. What is iz number? Minus 3 plus 2i. Here minus 3 plus 2i lies in second quadrant because x is a negative value, real, and imaginary value is positive. So iz is here. Next third one is z plus iz. Z plus iz means minus 1 plus 5i. Here this also second quadrant. So z plus iz is also second quadrant lies in. This is the organ plane. You can arrange same type of way next question. So finally, these are the homework sums. Do well. Thank you. See you the next class.